Hello, this is Heidi Fleiss, the former Hollywood madam, with my unwanted macaws. See, they have access to indoors and outdoors all the time. They're here. They're over here. Initially, I didn't know what they would like, so I did the learn as we go. There's chickens on my property because roaches are disgusting and the chickens eat the roaches. This is Gina and Paulina. What's the matter, Jean? Up, up. Up, up. That's a command. That means move it, or it means she wants me to get her. Come here, Jeannie. Come here. Whoa. This is her friend Paulina. Come here, Pauline. Now, when they live in a cage, they're dependent upon you for every single thing. There's no way you can give them the things that they need. These birds are constantly doing things to keep their brains working and occupied. They're chewing on things, they're exploring, they sleep in certain areas. Right when they wake up, the first thing they do is move. They don't hang out where they sleep all the time, but when they're in a cage, they have no choice. There's no way you can live the life you want and care for them properly. And as far as their diet is concerned, those pellets you buy them, that's crap. Those stuff you buy them is crap. They need organic nuts. They need to chew on bark. They need to forage. They need special water that's pure and distilled. Hi, beautiful.